I need a rental car for a week. I'm out here to see my boyfriend.
We got compact, full compact, semi-compact, medium size, small size, compact that's not so big, compact that are big. We also got a van that holds 15 passengers.
I'll take the economy car.
Okay, economy. And would you like insurance with that?
How much is
It's
it?
$12 a day.
No thanks.
Okay. And do you need a GPS navigation system?
How much is it?
It's $12 a day.
No thanks.
Okay. There it is.
Thank you.
They'll actually print your receipt out outside when they pull your car around.
Okay,
You have
great.
a wonderful time in Los
Oh,
Angeles.
thank you. Steve? Steve, honey, it's me. Steve. Hi. Came to surprise you for your birthday. Oh. How are you?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good to see you. How are you? Sweet, sweet, who is it? Oh my god. Oh, honey, who is it? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Abbie.
Oh.
Abbie, it's not what you think.
Oh my god.
So
Oh my
sorry.
god. Oh my god.
Wait,
Oh
why
my
did you
god.
do
Oh
this, Abbie?
my god. No.
Why are you here?
It's your birthday, you idiot. Can I borrow your cell phone?
Hell no, you can't use my cell phone.
Oh, please. My car broke down and I don't have a cell phone.
You need to get your lily white ass back in your car and get the hell up out of here.
Well, I'd love to, but I can't because my car is broken and I don't even know where the hell I am.
You damn sure don't know where you at. Your mama did you no kind of service, huh? Did she tell you to get ready just in case? Life is full of surprises.
Yeah, I know.
No, you don't know. Yo, what up, man? It's Jay. I need a tow truck over here pronto. Yeah, peace.
Go ahead. And stop. Yo, this the car, man?
Yeah. What? I think. Wait, just wondering if there was like an official towing company that we could call. Not that I don't trust you two, but I was just wondering if there was someone
You ready,
else we
man?
could call.
Dude, come on. I got 3 other jobs to do in the next 30 minutes.
I got you, man. So you got 2 choices, sweetie. You're either gonna get in the car with us now, or you're gonna stay here in this lovely beer garden of a place. You gotta make up your mind.
Oh gosh. What's the smell? So, is this neighborhood really that bad?
It depends. What were you expecting from this neighborhood?
No, certainly not this. God, I flew all the way out here for his birthday. His birthday! Just to surprise him, you know? And look what happened. Oh my God, all I wanted to do was something nice for him, and he didn't even bother telling me that he was seeing someone else. No, I had to fly all the way out to God knows where Los Angeles to find out that little relevant piece of information.
Technically, this is Ladora Heights.
What the hell does Ladora Heights have to do with anything?
Were you planning on marrying this guy?
I don't know.
It seems to me like a lot of trouble if he's here and you're somewhere else. Aren't there any nice guys where you live?
That's not the point.
Yeah, it is. He's geographically undesirable.
Well, he wasn't when I met him. Not for 2 whole years, he wasn't.
Endings are never easy.
Well, it wasn't over.
He said goodbye and he left, right?
Yeah, but he had to move. It wasn't like we broke up.
No, he left. So in the now, he is undesirable.
Now?
The now. That is all that really matters.
To me, it sounds like it's your expectations that got in the way, not this other woman.
How'd you know about the other woman?
It doesn't matter how I knew about the other woman. What matters is the here and the now. And brotherly and sisterly love, of course.
Can I use your
phone?
It's for paying customers only.
Okay, fine. I'll have a beer.
All right, local calls only. Go. Let me guess, car's next door with the mechanics?
Mm-hmm.
Figures.
Bella,
Relax.
I can't help it. You're sitting down.
I am helping this girl. She's got serious problems here.
Well, so do we.
All right, I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. My sweet little potato pancake.
Yes.
Now, darling, why don't you just go back to whatever this is that you're doing, and don't you bother me,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Believe it or not, he's one of the good ones.
Oh, dear.
No, I mean, he's the kind of guy that is always going to be there for me, no matter what the hell I say, no matter what I do. Hold on a sec. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, I'll let her know. Thanks. Okay, Miss Abigail, that was Mike from next door. They're not going to be able to fix your car.
Gosh.
I know, but you know what? They're going to send a shuttle from LAX to pick you up. So I think you should have another beer while you wait.
Okay. Very nice to meet you.
Fasten your seatbelt. I do realize you don't have one, but try to fasten yourself and best situate for the adventure to come.
Oh, gosh. It's been enough of an adventure today. Can we just get to the airport?
You know how the Americans say? You know what I mean?
No.
You must have faith because at times that is the only thing that you need. That is the best thing you are going to do. Any action will be useless. Don't let the circumstances, whatever they may be, that you are so adverse to describing and disclosing, make you so sullen and depressed. Sometimes we test the water and it is too hot, we say. As the hippies first advised us, just be cool. You will understand soon enough. Have yourself a good journey. After all, that is the most important part.
Don't even know where I am. One of those days. You know, I love that book.
Oh, did you read it?
Yeah. Have you gotten to the part yet where he tells her that he's gonna see her one last time?
Yeah, that part was really good. Yeah, I like that part.
Gets me.
Yeah, I really like it too.
I'm Danny.
Abigail, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Airports.
Attention passengers.
Oh gosh, I had
we are
the
now
worst day
boarding
today.
Flight 13 departing to Chicago's O'Hare Airport. All boarding passes with the letter A will be boarding first.
You too?
Yeah,
Chicago?
I'm on that flight. Yeah, I'm on that flight too.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're not gonna believe this.
Okay.